Welcome to the installation, commissioning, and operation video guide for the NJYB3-1 voltage protection relay. Before we begin, disconnect the power supply, wear insulating gloves and protective goggles. Prepare wire strippers, crimping pliers, appropriately sized wires, wire lugs, a screwdriver and a multimeter. Before starting the installation, carefully read the instructions to ensure that the model of the relay matches the predetermined working conditions, and select an appropriate installation location. The technique for installing involves first aligning the upper end of the relay with the upper edge of the ding rail, then gently pushing it to the lower edge to ensure the relay correctly snaps into the rail. If you need to disassemble the relay, use a flathead screwdriver to gently press the stop component at the bottom, lift the bottom of the relay to separate it from the rail, and then slightly tilt it forward at an appropriate angle for smooth removal. Before starting the wiring process, ensure to choose the appropriate cross-sectional area of wires based on the product's current rating. Then use the wire strippers to carefully strip off the outer insulation of the copper wire for 9 to 11 mm, ensuring that the exposed length of the copper wire is appropriate. The terminal blocks L1, L2, L3 correspond to the three-phase power supplies L1, L2, L3, respectively, with terminals 14, 11, 12 serving as contact points. Users should connect the three-phase power supply to the corresponding terminal blocks, with the contactor coil connected to the 11 and 14 contact terminals. Before powering on, ensure all settings are correct and use a multimeter to check that there should be continuity between terminals 11 and 12 and an open circuit between terminals 11 and 14. After powering on, the product power and action indicator lights should illuminate, and a multimeter check should show an open circuit between terminals 11 and 12 and continuity between terminals 11 and 14. If you encounter any issues, please refer to the troubleshooting guide for analysis and resolution. We will provide diagnostic methods and solutions for common issues. For more information, please visit our official website or get in touch with our local representatives for assistance.